Hey guys, it's Shayla here and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you 3 hairstyles that are super easy and fast for when you're running late. Now I don't know about you, but I'm always late. Like, I don't even mean to be. I just end up being late. I always neglect my hair. It is always the last thing I do. I worry about everything else first. So here's just 3 styles that I find super easy. They're fast. They look like you put effort in, but really you didn't. You can do these if you're late for work, if you're late for an event, if you're late for brunch, coffee, whatever. Most of these styles can be done on short, medium, and long hair. Today I am wearing extensions. These extensions are from Arabella Hair. I'm really loving them. I've only had them for about a week and so far I have nothing negative to say about them. I'm going to link them in the description. The colour I'm wearing is the Dirty Blonde shade. It matches my hair really nicely. So if you're anything like me and you're late and you're lazy and you don't have a priority for your hair, keep watching this video and I'm going to help you out a bit.